Intermediate Advanced class for the going swing 2022 with Margot and Jean-Philippe. So we talk about tandem variation, and we did this follower turn with a walk step, double walk step for the leaders. And then we extra turn for the follow, and we are just kick step. Remember that what we are doing with kick is also possible with step. To like a boom,
Step, step, step.
If you don't like kicks, like David, for example,
You can do step.
you can do step.
Okay.
And then we did this.
Followers, we said that it's one after per kick step or per triple step or per steps.
Yeah. And then we did this axo. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we exit like this. Remember that the axo, we didn't talk about that, but we can do in both sides, yeah. And we can exit to a different way, for example. That's a bonus for you. And,
Okay,
you will practice. And then it's a 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4. Grazie mille.
Grazie a te.